BRICS is an acronym for its member countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Together, the 5 countries represent a significant portion of the world's population, landmass, and gross domestic product (GDP). The BRICS grouping includes developing and newly industrialized countries. China is the world's second largest economy. India is home to 10 of the 30 fastest growing urban areas in the world, with an ever-expanding middle class. Straddling both the European and Asian continents, Russia is the largest country in the world. Energy and iron-rich Brazil has the world's 6th largest economy and is the largest country in both South and Latin America. And South Africa is the most influential country on the African continent. Combined, the grouping is having increasing influence on global affairs. In September 2006, on the margins of the United Nations General Assembly, the foreign ministers of Brazil, Russia, India, and China met to discuss possible collaboration. Subsequent high-level meetings were organized, and the first official BRICS summit was held on June 16, 2009 in Russia. With the global financial crisis then looming, talks centered on improving the world's economic situation, reforming the financial institutions, and deepening the grouping's influence on international affairs. By December 2010, South Africa had requested and was formally accepted into the grouping, officially changing the name from BRIC to BRICS. The members meet annually, rotating chairmanship of the summit in line with the BRICS acronym. Talks include expanding economic, political, and cultural cooperation. While collaboration on those fronts continues, the most critical development out of BRICS is the establishment of structures to assist countries with their finances. Chief among them is the creation of the new development bank, the NDB, expected to operate much like the IMF and World Bank without the restrictions they impose. The NDB was conceptualized in 2012 to mobilize resources for infrastructure and sustainable development projects in member states as well as in developing countries. In 2016, the NDB became fully operational with headquarters in Shanghai, China, and its first regional office in Johannesburg, South Africa. In 2016, the bank approved over $1.5 billion in loans for 7 projects in all member states, to include green and renewable energy, water sanitation, transportation, and irrigation. It also issued its first $450 million green financial bond in 2016. Another financial aspect of the BRICS is the Contingency Reserve Arrangement, CRA. Coming into effect in 2015, the CRA offers $100 billion in liquidity and currency protection to BRICS members. In 2018, South Africa will resume chairmanship of the 10th BRICS Summit. It's expected to address key challenges to development and growth, as well as poverty and unemployment in member states. Greater trade facilitation, investment, and production are also expected to be discussed. Jamaica, through Prime Minister Andrew Holness, expects to build on the current partnership with the grouping and explore possible expansion opportunities.